Yep, he or she ate some breakfast bar for me. I don't know if it's good for Seagull, so I didn't go too much for it. But I gave the poor bird some. Cute bird. Are you my new pet? I think you're my new pet. Yeah. I would give you more, but I don't know if it's good for you. I don't want to overfeed you something that might make you sick. But I give you a snack. Yeah. I hope it don't make you sick. It's these little Nutra bars. I can't find my apple ones. I had apple ones in here somewhere, but yeah. You liked it, didn't you? Yeah. Cutie.